Soon as I walk in, I'ma give you what you want.
What is what it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the title today, what we're gonna be doing today, so I had ordered a whole bunch of stuff for my car, just a whole bunch of stuff that I needed, and I saw some things on TikTok that I was like, okay, I might need that too. So I got some of the stuff. This is the box. It's very hefty. It has a lot of stuff in it. I do have work too, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this video. Hopefully it doesn't be long, but I know I'm not gonna do everything I want to do in this video, so it's gonna be a 2-day process and show you guys what I got. I didn't spend that much money on all these items. And then again too, I did buy a backdrop for my photo shoot that I'm having for my 21st birthday. I'm not gonna put this on my bed because it's been outside. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so this right here is a little sticker. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little sticker that goes on your wheel. So you just literally just, I guess, unwrap this and just stick it on there. It's supposed to make your wheel so, like, supposed to make your wheel all cute. But it only came with this. It didn't come in a box. Whatever. And I will put the prices on the screen too, and if you guys want to get everything that I got, the link will be in my description. Okay, so this is the LED strip light. This is for the inside of my car. I will insert some pictures of what it's supposed to look like, or the video on TikTok that I saw, but this is for the front and the back seats. I did order some lights for my tires, so you guys will get to see that. Like, it will change colors to the beat of the music. I don't know if it has a remote in here. It says, it looks like it has an app. So this is lights for my tire. I don't know if you guys can see that. So basically what you do is you put the light on that little on that opening right there where you fill up air in your tire. And when you drive, it's supposed to light up. And you can see it during the nighttime. I don't think you can see it during the daytime. And I believe it's solar panel and waterproof. That's the back right there, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Ooh, I think I know what this is. I think this is my wheel cover. We're not putting anything on our bed. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Ain't that cute? It says you're a diamond. It says you're a diamond, darling. Nothing can break you. Oh, that's so cute. And it has a little diamond right there. The packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is my wheel cover. And I don't know if you can see it, if it will focus. So this is the wheel cover. It's pink and it has silver diamonds on it. It doesn't look like the diamonds will fall off, and the leather feels really nice. It doesn't feel like it's made from a cheap material. Oh my gosh, I hope this fits. I think it will fit. It comes with 3 more items. So but that comes with the matching license plate cover. I think this is what it is. Yep. I cannot wait to put this on my car. And it doesn't look like any of it will come off either. Then with that, it comes with a... Okay, so it's just a UBS charger, so a regular charger that you put in your car. But it does have the pink diamonds as well to match with the whole set. It's just a regular charger. You can literally do this yourself, and it says fast charging, so we'll see, because the charger I already have in my car already charges everything really fast. That's the charger for your car right here. It's very pretty. and you can put 2 in here. But literally looks like they just took a charger and just put the gems on here, which is fine. So next we have these little blinged out little, I thought it came with 2. I guess not. So all prices will be on the screen and then the links will be down below. But I got this. We have a trash can for my car. So this is I didn't see any pink ones. I didn't see ones that were really cute, so the black one will just have to do. It's black and gray, and it does have storage on the sides of it, so if you want to put, I guess, water bottles or whatever case may be. So I did forget to mention this on the video, but this is for my car as well. I guess it cleans your car and puts a coating on it. And it even says somewhere on the box that you will never have to wax your car again. Okay, so right now it is 7:10 in the morning of the next day. I had dropped off my sister for work. As soon as I dropped her off at work, I came here so I can beat the lantern bug, because they're not here in the morning. My car is not that dirty. Morning, my sister did stepped on a barbecue sauce packet. So I'm gonna have to take my mats, all of them, and wash them. That's what I usually do. Okay, so I couldn't film while I was using the vacuum because a lot of people were playing music and I didn't want to get copyrighted. So a little update, I'm going to return this because if you guys can see in the clip, it left my car with a lot of smudges, streaks, and it was so hard to take out. The more I wiped it, the more smudges and streaks there were. I'm going to return it. Next, we are going to go to Wobble, me and my mom, and we're going to put some air in my tire. That's why you guys see that little orange. Currently at Wawa to fill up some air in my tires. I'm going to go ahead and open this now because I forgot to open this when I was at the house. So open this up. It does come with 5, and it even says on the box, one more as a peace gift. To install this trash can, all you had to do was loosen this up, open up your console, and then you just put it over it. And this is what it looks like. I think these are so it can keep the sides straight, and it has this, I guess, adhesive. So it does turn out that these are support sticks. I was reading a whole bunch of reviews on Amazon, and there's no sleeve where you can stick these sticks into so they won't fall out to hold its shape. I did bring a trash bag. Now that that is done, and my mom already did put these on my car, you do have to take out this off your tire. Then you put this on. It's like, they are solar panel, and once nighttime hits, I am gonna show you guys what the car looks like. I'm about to hop in the front, but I am a mess, and I can't believe I'm about to expose myself on camera. When I said that I just woke up out of bed and just did some errands.
my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. So my wheel is on, you guys. Ah! It's on. Oh my gosh. Look at it. That is so cute. Next, I'm gonna put on this thing right here. Let me see. Let me show y'all. These are the lights. I had changed them to purple. So these are the lights. You can change them. There's a controller right here. I had stuck it onto my side, and if you just press the button, so this is off. This is the colors to make them dance, and you can change them to colors. And as for this, I couldn't put it on any of these. It was too big. I could have put it on these, but I want these to be silver, so I'm gonna grab some more at Walmart. But yeah, so since this couldn't fit, I'm gonna have to just put it like this. It's barely on there, but I made it work.
I kiss you like it's what's been on my mind for hours. I wanna wrap up in your arms, feel the love that keeps you warm. Soon as I walk in, I'ma keep you. Okay, bye.